So today we discuss about the method of preparation of alkyl halide from alcohol. As in the last lecture we discussed the order of reactivity of alcohol, that is tertiary alcohol is greater than secondary alcohol is greater than primary alcohol. This is the order of reactivity of alcohol. For the preparation of alkyl halide from alcohol, the reaction condition depend upon the type of alcohol and type of HX. Which type of alcohols we are used and which type of HX we are taken for the reaction, the different conditions are required for the preparation of alkyl halide. So when alcohol reacts with hydrogen halide, it gives alkyl halide and water. So general reaction condition is ROH plus HX, which gives RX plus H2O. But here which type of alcohol and which type of HX we are taken, the reaction condition is changed for this particular general reaction. So now let's take hydrogen halide, that is HCl. Now let's discuss the action of HCl on alcohol and what will be the reaction condition for which type of alcohol we are used. Now the HX with us is HCl. So general reaction is ROH plus HCl. It will give RCl plus H2O. But we always take the concentrated HCl, and here reaction condition is anhydrous Zn chloride and heat is required for some type of alcohols. We use concentrated HCl and use of anhydrous Zn chloride as catalyst. So as you know, catalyst is used to increase the rate of reaction. The concentrated HCl plus anhydrous Zn chloride, when we take the concentrated HCl plus anhydrous zinc chloride, it is called as Lucas reagent. So most possible MCQ on this particular one. The solution of concentrated HCl and anhydrous Zn chloride called as, so it is called as Lucas reagent. Now we know the order of reactivity of alcohol, that is tertiary alcohol is greater than secondary alcohol is greater than primary alcohol. The reactivity of tertiary alcohol is more. So here you can see easily for primary alcohol and secondary alcohol we are using the Lucas reagent and heat is also necessary. So in this case, as we are already discussed, the anhydrous Zn chloride, we used it as a catalyst. So as the reactivity of tertiary alcohol is more, there is no need of catalyst to speed up the reaction, to accelerate the reaction. But in case of primary and secondary alcohol, here you can see the secondary and primary alcohol, the reactivity is very low and therefore they require the catalyst, and therefore with concentrated HCl we are using the anhydrous zinc chloride here. But here in case of tertiary alcohol, it does not require anhydrous zinc chloride. So let's take primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol and hydrogen halide as HCl and discuss the example one by one. So Here is the question: explain the action of HCl on N-propyl alcohol. N-propyl alcohol is a primary alcohol. So let's take N-propyl alcohol, CH3, CH2, CH2OH plus HCl. That is the concentrated HCl we are using for this reaction. So now it is a primary alcohol and we are using the HCl, concentrated HCl here. So because of this is a primary alcohol, we are using anhydrous zinc chloride here, and heating is also necessary, and we will get N-propyl chloride, CH3, CH2, CH2Cl plus H2O. So this is the reaction condition. So on the basis of which type of alcohol we are used, which type of HX, that is hydrogen halide, we are taking, here the reaction condition is changed. For primary alcohol the reaction condition same, for secondary alcohol the reaction condition also same, because the reactivity of alcohol is here, in case we are taking the secondary alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, when reacts with HCl, we always taking the concentrated HCl. The only difference is we are taking anhydrous zinc chloride here, and heating is necessary, and therefore we are obtained here isopropyl chloride and water. So it is a secondary alcohol. Now let's discuss about, explain the action of HCl on tertiary pentyl alcohol. Tertiary pentyl alcohol. So it is a tertiary alcohol. The tertiary alcohol's reactivity is more, and therefore here you can see we are taking tertiary alcohol. It reacts with HCl. Obviously it is concentrated one, and when we reacts it with the concentrated HCl, we does not require the anhydrous zinc chloride, because there is no necessity of any catalyst. So the reaction carried out likewise this, we are tertiary, we obtain the tertiary pentyl chloride plus water. You can also write the IUPAC name of this, that is 2-chloro-2-methyl butane. 2-chloro-2-methyl butane. 2-chloro-2-methyl butane. So